I am Deputy Chief William Griffith of the Dallas Police Criminal Investigations Group. I will brief you on the details, as we know them, about the officer-involved shooting that occurred on August 27, 2025 in the 13800 block of Fair Hills Lane. This is the 6th Dallas police officer-involved shooting in 2025. The preliminary investigation determined that at about 7:35 p.m. on August 26, 2025, Dallas police received a 911 call from a witness reporting that the subject, later identified as 46-year-old Martin Bennis, had been drinking alcohol and armed with a knife, making threats inside the residence. A second witness sent a text message to 911 stating that Mr. Bennis was acting erratically, trying to harm himself, and endangering the other person in the residence. The first patrol officers were dispatched at approximately 7:40 p.m. Upon their arrival at approximately 7:44 p.m., officers met with the witness, who answered the door. As officers were speaking with the witness, Mr. Bennis appeared from a room inside the house and began quickly walking toward the officers and the witness while brandishing a knife. The officers drew their firearms and backed away to gain distance as Mr. Bennis continued moving toward them with the knife. As the officers reached the front yard, they stopped and gave loud verbal commands to drop the knife, which prompted Mr. Bennis to stop at the porch, go back inside the house, and lock the door. The witness remained outside as additional officers arrived and established a perimeter around the home. One officer observed that Mr. Bennis had blood on him. The officers could not determine where Mr. Bennis was injured and was concerned about Mr. Bennis's well-being. A patrol supervisor spoke to the witness, who explained that Mr. Bennis injured himself while intentionally cutting off the ankle monitor. The witness told officers that Mr. Bennis had expressed a desire to no longer live and to kill himself if officers entered the residence. A riot care unit made up of a police officer, a mental health clinician, and a paramedic was called to the scene. Because Mr. Bennis cut off his ankle monitor, a warrant for insufficient bond related to an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon charge was issued. Patrol officers contacted the fugitive unit to verify the warrant and requested SWAT, who arrived just after 11 p.m. SWAT officers used several tactics to persuade Mr. Bennis to safely exit, which were unsuccessful. SWAT supervisors made the decision to enter and take Mr. Bennis into custody. At about 1:24 a.m., SWAT officers breached and entered the home to search for Mr. Bennis. He was found in a bedroom, lying on a bed. One officer observed Mr. Bennis still had the knife. SWAT officers deployed a taser, which was ineffective. Mr. Bennis stood up with the knife and charged the officers. One officer deployed another taser, and officers Samuel McDonald and Christopher Nielsen fired their duty weapons at Mr. Bennis, hitting him. Mr. Bennis attempted to stand and approach the officers, who fired again, hitting Mr. Bennis once. A SWAT medic entered to assess Mr. Bennis's injuries and render aid. Mr. Bennis died at the scene. No officers were injured during this incident. This is an ongoing investigation being conducted by the Dallas Police Special Investigations Unit. The Dallas County District Attorney's Office was notified, responded, and will conduct their own investigation. The Office of Community Police Oversight was notified and has been briefed regarding this incident. To be transparent, the Dallas Police Department is releasing 911 audio, text to 911 messages, and body-worn camera footage of this incident.
Dallas 911, this is Donna. Where's your emergency?
Yes, very, very emergency. My son is coming to suicidal. He's yelling that he will kill everybody. But he really is very dangerous. He's yelling that he will kill everybody, and he's such a nice.
Ma'am.
I just heard some banging there. Dallas Police! How you doing? Where is he? Okay, Donde is Martin?
He's already, but he has got, he's won't kill
Come outside.
himself.
Come outside. It's okay. Come on outside.
He won't kill himself.
Hey, Martin!
No, you guys trained me already, and I'm done with this shit.
Martin!
I'm done with this shit.
How you doing? Put it down! Put it down!
Martin, drop the fucking knife!
Put it down, Martin! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Drop the fucking
Drop
knife!
it!
Drop it
Drop the
now!
knife!
Drop it now!
Ma'am, come out here! Ma'am, come out here! Who else is in the house? Who else is in the house? Come over here!
Come here now! Come here!
He's okay.
Who else is in the house?
Who else is in the house?
No one.
Just you two?
Police, don't move! Let me see your head! Hey, back up, back up.
Back up, back up, back up!
Tase him again.
Nice!
Hold on.
Alright, finish your
47.
job. Back clear.
Shut out.
I've
One
got it.
side. Give me some space to work too.
Man, let me know when you're good.
No pulse. All right, come on. Nope. All right, go ahead and get VFR up here. See if I can bag him. Just strip him and lay him flat. Scott, if you want to pull his legs.